What's up everyone? In this video, I am going to make a review on this item that I bought from Shopee for 137 Philippine peso. This one is a wind slayer for GoPro Hero 7. Its main purpose is to eliminate or reduce wind noise while video recording and moving at a high speed. So with this, we will try to test its effectivity while riding a motorcycle having the GoPro attached to my helmet. I'm having quite a difficult time inserting my GoPro to this jacket for the fear that I might tear this one up, but it seems slightly flexible. So there you go, I've already attached my GoPro to this jacket, and this time we will try to test if this is effective.
O, diba? Parang mga tanga. Dakpan!
Now let's try again without the wind slayer foam. So there you have it. Now let's talk about its pros and cons. Weight. Weight is just around 4 grams. It's almost as if it is nothing. With the foam on, the GoPro seems to be a bit bulky and kinda funny looking. Front LCD display is being covered when foam is on. Unfortunately, I can only test this one with a speed up to 80 to 90 km per hour. And with the foam on, you can barely hear the wind noise even if you turn your volume on the maximum. But without the foam, even with a speed of at least 40 km per hour, wind noise is there. You really need to take it off when you need to charge your GoPro or change the battery or connect your GoPro to your computer. And that brings us to durability. Since it is just a foam, it will be most likely to be torn up by installing and removing it more often, just like mine. Price is fairly cheap with regards to its function. Voice recording with or without the foam won't be affected. Well, that depends on your purpose. If you are one of those motovloggers who talks while they ride, this one is not for you. You need to have an external microphone, which is a bit expensive, so that your voice will be captured clearly.
The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog.
But for someone like me who uses the GoPro for security purposes and capture anything in the road, I am fine with this one. Some motovloggers use an external microphone or headset attached to their mobile phones to record audio and just sync it with a video from GoPro. But as for me, I don't want any wires tangling from my body to my helmet. That's the reason why I have this. For suggestions, comments, and questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.